So I'm going to do a little quick repair on this recliner that it's actually been broken now for probably 2 or 3 years. And you know, the little handle right here, the plastic part right here just broke off, you know, and it lasted for years. I wouldn't say it was even a terrible design. Of course, they could have made that plastic a little bit thicker. And what that does is that little thing right there is a lever, and it pulls this essentially like a little bicycle brake type thing, pulls that and releases the footrest, right? So got this off of Amazon. It was very inexpensive. It was only 10 bucks. And I wish I would have done that a long time ago. And you can see right there, just have to put that little bicycle part piece cable pull right there back in place. That's probably going to be a little bit tricky. I'm going to just see if I can do it with my hands. Might have to get some needle nose pliers. Let's just see though. Yeah, so I was able to do that with my hands alone. Not necessarily easy, but not hard. I mean, just, you know, I had to kind of pull it and wiggle this part in first. So really all you just needed was a Phillips head screwdriver. At least that's all I needed. These couple of screws are going to go back in it. And there we go. It opened back up. You know, I put this little clip thing back on, but I was able to take that off of the, you know, the old one and put all that in, and there you go. I'm gonna put a couple of these screws in real quick and that thing will be pretty much done. Wish I would have just thought about this. My mom actually just looked it up and she's like, you know, my mom just watched a YouTube video. I was like, hey, I think we could fix this pretty easily, because we were about to just go buy a new chair and I didn't even think about it. But yeah, that was pretty simple. So I'm gonna screw this back in real quick. Well, that was super easy, about not even 5 minutes. And there we go. And this is actually, this new one is a metal handle, and this whole assembly part is metal. So I think that's gonna actually last a lot longer than this plastic original one did. And man, 10 bucks. I'm gonna put a link on down below where you could get this particular thing if that fits. And you know, it's just one of those stupid, simple things where, you know, you know these kind of things are pretty easy to do. You spend a little bit of time on YouTube just researching it. I mean, this chair's still in really good shapes, you know, totally usable, even being like probably 7 or 8 years old now. Why spend another couple of $100? Which is what we were almost about to do. 10 bucks and about, you know, 5 minutes worth of research, 5 minutes to do it. 10 minutes, 10 bucks. Anyway, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, please. Why not? Have a wonderful day. Check you out on the next video. And hopefully this helps you out.